In order to install a new Airtex fuel pump module into some GM applications, you will be required to install a new wiring connector. We need to just basically disassemble the wiring harness from the tank back. We'll want to go back roughly somewhere between a foot to 10 inches. And at this point, it doesn't really matter which wire you want to cut first, but you want to be sure that they're staggered, about a 3-inch stagger. Make sure that we've got plenty of good, clean, bare wire to work with. Airtex supplies the appropriate size connectors with its fuel pump module. The red is for the smaller diameter wire and the blue is for the larger diameter wire. It's very important that we use the right size connector for each wire. Twist the wire good, slide on the new connector. At that point, we'll take our crimpers and we want to make sure we use the associated. We got a blue connector, so we want to be sure and use the blue area to crimp. Make sure we got a good crimp. We want to give it a little tug. Again, we want to be sure and use the proper crimping location on our crimpers. Okay, good and snug. On some applications, the wire colors do not match. There's an instruction sheet that gives you the color matches. Bare the wire. Twist the copper. Crimp the connector. And give it a slight tug to see properly crimped. The wiring connectors that Airtex provides are a heat shrink type connector. Use a heat gun, no other heat source. Remember, we are working in an area with possible fuel vapors. Once we make all connections, then we reinstall it into the loom and tape up the loom to help seal out any moisture. Now that we have updated the electrical connector, we are ready to install the new Airtex fuel pump.